Hola amigos! The target for this lesson is I can name animals from the tropical rainforest. Yo puedo nombrar los animales de la selva tropical. We're going to go through the names of the animals and you can repeat along with me just like we were in class. El mono. El mono. La rana. La rana. El murciélago. El murciélago. La mariposa. La mariposa. La hormiga. La hormiga. El loro. El loro. El jaguar. El jaguar. La serpiente. La serpiente. El perezoso. El perezoso. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed learning the names of the rainforest animals. Adios, amigos.